Alright, on this Subaru Forester 2.5, a lot of times when you're taking this intake off, a lot of people struggle with this guy right here, this little fuel clip. And the easy way to get this off, and I used to do this in the old days a lot with other vehicles, some other vehicles, and it usually works. On this Subaru, there's a couple little places right there. See those little slots? There's one on that side and there's one on that side. Put those at the 12 and 6 o'clock position. And the next thing you want to do, and by the way, this is ready to come out. It's real loose. That's the only thing that's keeping me. Next thing you want to do is get you a zip tie. And I usually use something, it's fairly big, and you can see my zip ties here. I got some small ones, and I got some relatively large ones. And I think these are, I don't know what size these are here. These are 8-inch. So I'm not sure how wide they are, but what we want to do is kind of fold this up and clip it. And I'll just kind of fold it like that. I wish you could do this on all vehicles, but sometimes it's kind of hard to do. And we'll cut it off right about there like that. And what we want to do, we want to stick that side and that side at the 9 and 3 o'clock position and slide this in and release that little plastic clip. Alright, so we got the little slots there at the 6 and 12, and we're going to take this and put it at the 3 and 9 position here. And kind of put this in behind the green little doohickey there, push in on it like that, and ta-da, comes right off. So sometimes I impress myself, and some days, well, I don't even bother coming out to the garage. So yep, simple little zip tie, and there's your tip for today. And I better catch some gas before I cause more damage. And there we go. We'll put that off to the side, and now we'll go ahead and grab our intake here. I doubt that I can do this with one hand. And we'll go ahead and take it out. So if you're a Subaru lover, rock on. I hope this video helps you out. And then you can smile and say, there's my intake. We got it out. Or I got it out. Ta-da!